Hey everybody, I'm having to do a voiceover because it's actually pretty noisy in the other room. So, yeah, that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, so for this look, we aren't going to prime our eyes straight away, so just wait on that one. So what you need to do is get a brush that won't pick up too much pigment. I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm going to use that more reddish pinkish color right there. And I'm just going to put that over my entire eye, essentially. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to go in with this reddish orangish color and we're going to apply that into our crease and on our outer lid. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to go in with a bit of this dark brown color, but only a little bit because it'll go on pretty dark if you don't do that. I'm just blending a little bit of the pigment towards the outer corner of my eye and making sure that it gets progressively darker towards my mid-lid. Once we've done that on both sides, we're going to go in with a primer or concealer and dab that towards the inner corner of our eye. Now that we've applied our primer or concealer, I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and just kind of set it, sort of. Now I'm going to go in with this golden color I have on my Tarteist Pro palette and put that towards and in my mid-lid. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that we've done that, I'm going to go in with the lighter gold color and place that towards my inner corner. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now that we've done that, we're going to make sure all the pigment in our crease is properly blended together. Now I'm going to take the reddish orangish color again and place that on my lower lash line. Once that's done, you're going to go in with the lighter brown and touch that up towards the outer corner. Now we're going to go in and do our eyeliner. If you want to see how I do it, then you can go check out the video I posted. Once that's done, you can go in with some mascara, and then we'll be done. Alright everybody, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it useful. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the bell. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.